Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2018 Nissan Altima SR Midnight Edition. Very beautiful Altima, one previous owner, no reported accidents, auto check certified, and the Midnight Edition is beautiful. Black on black on black, so definitely sticking true to the Midnight theme. Beautiful alloy wheels here, factory black wheels. Comes with new tires all the way around, so those are all in great condition. And got 18-inch wheels on this one. Nice clean and clear headlights as well as fog lights, automatic daytime running lights and headlights, LED for those, and then powered by that 2.5, that ever reliable 4-cylinder motor. Just a beast of an engine. Gets excellent fuel economy mated with the CVT transmission, so you'll see over 30 miles a gallon on the highway. And it's just a great vehicle. If you're looking for a large sedan and you don't want to pay Honda, Toyota prices but have the same reliability, look no further. 4-wheel disc brakes. Interior is super clean, smoke and pet free. Power options include windows, locks, mirrors, and seats. And has that nice blue stripe and the blue stitching down the sides. Looks really nice there. And then it also has the Midnight Edition floor mats all the way around. Original owner's manual. Nice clean dash, nice clean touch points, rear backup camera, navigation, ice cold AC, USB auxiliary connectivity with charging port, CVT automatic, dual heated front seats, and I like how they listed upper and lower so you don't get caught pulling the wrong one. So that's a nice little touch there. Illuminated vanity mirrors, LED map lights. Everything properly working. Tinted windows. Nice spacious back seat here. Very clean as well, and I like how they kept the continuation of the blue stitching and the blue down the back seat. Split fold 60/40 rear seats. Looking down this side, no dings, dents, or scratches. Then coming to the rear bumper, barely any scratches. I mean, very light one there, but overall this vehicle is in super clean condition. Comes with spare tire, the jack. So you can see the Midnight SR designation. The Altima is blacked out. So those are blacked out from the factory, being the Midnight. And then it comes with the OEM mud guards. But near perfection. Like new car. If you're looking for something super clean, this is definitely it. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and power seat. And then coming behind the driver's side here, we have our hood and fuel door release, emergency brake, trunk release, traction control, and interior illumination. Then we have our automatic headlights there, interval front wipers. We also get the addition of these large paddle shifters, so easy to access, easy to use. Leather wrapped steering wheel with light wear here on the top. We also get Bluetooth connectivity, volume controls, infotainment, and cruise control. It is a push to start vehicle. So it comes with front collision warning, adaptive cruise control. 90,000 original one-owner miles, no warning lights on the dash. Just letting us know we have low fuel. But you can scroll through the menu options for tire pressure, average MPGs, stereo, compass. And then it also has maintenance schedules. It has nice HD radio, satellite radio as well. Paid-for subscription, the navigation, the rear backup camera, everything is properly working. It still has the original Nissan windshield, no chips or cracks. This vehicle is total push to start or turnkey ready to go, and it is beautiful. No dings, dents, or scratches, keyless smart entry. It is green light go on this one. This is one beautiful large sedan. So if you're looking for something large sedan, good on gas, reliable, look no further than the 2018 Nissan Altima SR Midnight Edition. You can find this beautiful Altima exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.